Hey everyone, Jessica here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an updated guest bedroom tour, and I will also link my original bedroom tour down in the description box in case you are curious and want to see what it looked like last year. Right when you walk in the guest bedroom, you will see the bed here, and I was inspired to do this guest bedroom update because I recently thrifted this wooden headboard at Goodwill. I had been looking for one for a really long time, and I scored this one here for only $25, and it was from Pier 1 Imports. I did give the headboard a minor makeover since I purchased it, and this is what it originally looked like. I did sand it and stain it a darker, more weathered gray color so it would match my existing decor. I also wanted to mention that pretty much everything in this room, other than my mattress and the comforter on the mattress, is either secondhand or it's something that I've found at a thrift store. All of the pillow shams that you see here on the bed were thrift scores, and I paid just a few dollars for all of them. I just recently thrifted this IKEA lamp that I have on the wall over here. I got it for $3.99, and I really like it because it frees up space on my small table here. The actual table that you see is also another thrift find. I found it over 2 years ago, and it works well for the space. On top of the table, I have a few Marilyn Monroe books and magazines stacked on top. These were in my grandfather's collection and they were recently passed down to me. If you look underneath the table, I have a thrifted basket and I stored an extra throw blanket inside of it. As you come around the other side of the room, this is what I have on the wall over here. I just have a closet, and then I have this armoire cabinet that was given to me by a neighbor that was moving. It was a really dark color and I painted it white a couple of years ago. If you watch any of my thrift hauls, you might recognize this piece here. It was a vintage nightgown that I got a couple of months ago, and I mentioned I would show you how I styled it in a future video. So here we are. This is how I decided to style it. Another item that really inspired this guest bedroom update was this print right here that you see on the wall. This is from a Marilyn Monroe calendar that my granddad had professionally framed. I just love it, and I think it looks great above this cabinet here. On top of the cabinet, I have some more vintage secondhand items that I want to show you guys. This really pretty vintage rotary telephone was actually given to me by a family friend. And beside that, I have an old camera that I picked up at an antique shop on my way to the beach one year. And beside the camera, I have a little compact mirror that I thrifted on my Project Thrift 52 series. I will link that series up at the top of the screen in case you missed it. Coming around the other side of the room, I have a window with some sheer curtains on it, and I got these at Home Goods. I also have a freestanding mirror and a vintage suitcase underneath the window. So this suitcase right here used to be my grandmother's, and it's a little bit beat up, but I love how it looks in the room with all of the other decor pieces. And here is the freestanding mirror. So this doubles as storage because you can actually open the mirror part and you can store jewelry and accessories in here. So I love the fact that it's hidden storage, and I will link it down below in case you are interested and want to check it out. Coming around the other side of the wall, you will notice I have a round mirror, I have a white vanity, and I also have a chair. All of these items were thrifted, and I think I spent less than $40 for everything, and I love how it looks. I have very simple decor on top of the vanity. I just have a small Target lamp in the corner. And then in the middle, I have this little glass trinket tray that I thrifted for like $1. When guests come over, they can put their jewelry on here. I also have this adorable little pig perfume bottle that was given to me by a friend. Coming around the other side of the room, you will see the main entrance door. And then you will also see some more of the Marilyn Monroe framed art prints that were passed down to me from my grandfather's collection. So my granddad was a huge Marilyn Monroe fan, and he probably could have opened up a small Marilyn Monroe museum with all the things that he had. I also love her, and I was really happy to have some of these pieces passed down to me. So that is pretty much it for my updated bedroom tour. The only other thing I want to get for this room that I can think of would be something to put above my headboard here. Maybe some sort of vintage mirror or something. I'm not sure. If you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next.